Alright students, so we'll continue with exercise 13.2. Let's go to question number 9 now. So question number 9, they're saying there's a petrol tank having a diameter 4.2 meter. Okay, so there's a petrol storage tank cylindrical in shape, and this has a diameter of 4.2 meter, and they are also saying its height is 4.5 meter. Okay, so this is the height and it is 4.5 meter. Okay, if its diameter is 4.2, its radius is of course 2.1 meter, isn't it? Okay, now you have to find a CSA or lateral surface area of the tank. So CSA, it is the curved surface area of the tank. The formula for cylinder is 2 pi RH. So that brings 2 into 22 by 7. My radius is 2.1 into 4.5, which is the height. So if you calculate this one, you will get 59.4 meter square. Okay, this is the first part. The second part is very interesting. In the second part, they are saying out of the total steel that is used to make the tank. Okay, this tank is obviously made of steel, isn't it? So the total steel that is used, 1/12 of that is wasted. Okay, তো টেংকটো বনাবলৈ যিমান ষ্টিল লাগে তাৰ 1/12 ৱেষ্ট হৈ গৈছে। কিমান ষ্টিল লাগিছিল টোটেল সেইটো উলিয়াব লাগে। অ'কে, তো তাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰিম, বৰ্তমান টেংকটোত কিমান আছে উলিয়াই ল'ম। ডেট মিনছ আই উইল ফাইণ্ড দ্য TSA. Okay, so TSA of a cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. So value put করিম, if I calculate, I will get 87.12 meter square. So this is my TSA. Okay, I hope you are understanding till now. Okay, so এতিয়া কথাটো কি হল, suppose total steel আমি ধৰি ললো x বুলি, let the total amount of steel be x meter square. So what is happening now? From this x, 1/12 of this x, 1/12 of this x means x by 12, this much is wasted. So this is a total steel and this is wasted. If I subtract, I will get the total area of the steel, jimankhini bortoman steel to lagi ase hone tank to. So that will give you 87.12. I hope you are understanding. To tank to banabole jiman total steel lagisile x. Okay, এই x or 1/12 to waste হৈ গ'ল, বাকি কিমান থাকিলে x minus x by 12, এই মানখিনি ষ্টিলেদি এইটো বনোৱা নাই জানো, হয়নে? এণ্ড আমি অলৰেডি পাইছোঁ যে ইয়াৰ এৰিয়া হয়, টোটেল এৰিয়া হয় 87.12. Okay, so this is the equation is, যদি মই এটা সলভ কৰোঁ, I will have 11x by 12 equal to 87.12, and cross multiplication কৰি division কৰি finally I will get x is equal to 95.04 meter square. That means the actual steel that is used to make the tank is 95.04 meter square. All right, very interesting and very important question. Now let's move on to question number 10. Now question number 10, they are saying there is a lampshade frame. Frame to enuka cylindrical shape, the diameter 20 and height to 30. That is what is given. After they are saying top or bottom, it actually ki koribo lage, we have to decorate with the help of a cloth. Okay, top or bottom or aru extra 2.5 lagabo lage. Okay, so this much is actually 2.5 centimeter and this is 2.5 centimeter. Kele lagabo lage, this is going to be used for folding. Fold koribo karone imankhini extra margin rakhibo. This is actually extra margin. Okay, so if I consider the extra margin both side, top and the bottom, total height ite kiman hoy gol? Total height of the cylinder is now 30 originally asile, plus 2.5 top and bottom, so this will give you 35 centimeter, isn't it? And Your radius is of course 10 centimeter because diameter is 20. So now you have to decorate your piece of cloth, so you have to find the CSA. So the CSA of the entire frame is a 2 pi r square formula. So that will give you 2 into 22 by 7, radius is 10, so 10 into 10, this is 2 pi r each, my mistake. So height is 35, so that should give you, if you calculate, this will give you 2200 centimeter square. Alright, very easy. So all you have to understand over here, the margin to add kora laga laga, height to increase with our top and bottom. Alright, that is question number 10. Now let's move on to question number 11. Now in question number 11, you have to actually find the area of 35 pen holders. One pen holder is basically cylindrical in shape, and it has radius 3 centimeter and height 10.5, just like I have drawn over here. So now interesting thing is, if it is a pen holder, the top is open because you have to keep the pen, right? The top is open, but the base towards to bottom base, that should be there. Okay, and obviously CSA. So if I write over here area of one pen holder, that will be CSA of the pen holder plus area of the base, because the base must be there, otherwise pen to lie the person. So CSA is 2 pi r each, and area of the base is pi r square. So initially I can take pi r common, so I will be having 2h plus r. Then you can put all the values and calculate. Finally you will get 7920 centimeter square. This you will get if you take 35 of them, 35 pen holders. Okay, so for one pen holder it will be 1584 by 7 centimeter square. This is the final answer for 35 pen holders. Okay, so please calculate. This is very easy. Just try to understand this concept. This area base will be there and the CSA will be there, but the top will be up. Okay, so that's all. That brings the end of 13.2. Next video I shall begin the explanation for 13.3.